In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly browser extension. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Google Chrome browser and just go to google.com and search for Grammarly for Chrome. So you'll see the first link here, just go to Grammarly for Chrome and just click on add to Chrome. It's free. And here you will be redirected to the page for the Chrome web store that has Grammarly on it. Just click on install to Chrome and accept any information. So if they're going to add permissions to install this, just click on yes and continue. Once you've successfully installed this, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the extensions section. Just click on that, and from here you'll be able to see the Grammarly section. So if you want to use Grammarly, just click on this one and just click on new document, and from here you will be able to use a Grammarly. So not only in this document actually, so if you use you input your sentences or your paragraphs here, you'll be able to see the corrections that you can make. But if you actually go outside of this Grammarly website, it's actually gonna work for different websites like YouTube, WordPress, and even Gmail. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.